Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to design an entertainment logo on the Mockitup application. But first of all, I just want to mention, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel, because at 100,000 subscribers we are going to show you our YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your device. Click to the logo section next to the t-shirt option at the upper side of the screen, and in the featured section scroll down and you can find the entertainment logo, and just select a template and new you can edit. If you want to change the text, click to the text box and click to the edit button, and new go to the keyboard icon, delete the text and write your text. If you finish, just click to the Done button. In the font section you can find different font type and just select one and click that. New, if you want to change the color of your text, just click to the color section next to the font button and select another color. If you go to the shadow section, you can add the shadows to your project, and if you want to add the graphic elements or pictures to your project, just go to the graphic section next to the text button at the bottom of the page, and in the symbol section you can find different graphic elements, or go to the photo section and here you can select images from your device. If you want to draw, just go to the doodle button, select a color and new you can draw on your project. If you go to the brush section, here you can find different different objects. For example, click to the stars and new you can add stars to your project. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.